This is honestly one of the best mods you can do for your car. I don't know why I waited so long for this. All right. This is it. This is the box I've been waiting for. This is going to improve the fit so much. This is Apple CarPlay for the Honda Fit. Oh, I'm so excited to do this. Whoa, it even has a backup camera. No way. This is gonna be fun. This is the head unit itself. Should be just plug and play. Has all the wiring here. Oh, a mic for the phone. Oh, this is all the wiring. More wiring. Need this, because I don't know where mine are. And this looks like the bezel. Oh. Bear with me, guys. Doing this with one hand is kind of hard. Give me a second. Yeah, look at that. It feels decent. No, that's not like cheap quality. Well, I mean, it is kind of cheap. Yeah, it doesn't feel 100%, but I ain't complaining. What is that black thing? Yeah, oh well. So, Apple CarPlay, Spotify, Android Auto, whatever. I can't even play my music in my car right now because the stock audio, the stock head unit doesn't have anything. Alright, I'm excited to install this. Ooh, there it is. The head unit. Yeah, I want to install this. I gotta watch some videos how to install this. But, shouldn't be too hard. It's a nice unit too. I'm gonna attach everything to the unit itself before I go outside and install it because it is cold as heck outside and I'm not trying to freeze out there. Let me see if I can do this. Bam. We got the head unit. It's kind of heavy. Kind of. I'm gonna attach this to this and then attach all the cables I need for my car. Alright, I'm just gonna tighten down all the screws. Just hand tighten it. I'm not gonna go overboard with the tightening. Okay, sick. I have no idea what is what. Give me a second. Let me see if I can figure all this out. Okay, this one looks like it goes here. Okay, sick. I got two USB slots here, which I really want because I want to connect my phone for Apple CarPlay on this. This is the main harness that will plug into the connector, I think. It did come with two, a blue one and a gray one. I'm pretty sure it just depends on what color connector comes out of your car. So if it's gray, you do the gray one. If it's blue, you do the blue one. That's it. This is a bunch of other things like mics. If you have like a sound system, this will be good for that. I don't, so. And that's about it. Pretty straightforward stuff. This is the mic. I think I will try it. I know this is the GPS antenna. I'll try that. I have no idea what this is though. This long boy here. I have no idea what this is for. All right, so it's kind of late. It's like 10 p.m. right now, and I'm gonna attempt to install this. I didn't bring my mic, so the audio is probably kind of shit. So bear with me. I'm not sure how much I'll film. I gotta work on it. I need to take off my birds. I need to take off this whole head unit. I'm not sure how it will be, but I'm gonna give it a try and pray for me. All right, that took like 5 minutes for me to take out the head unit. The previous owner came in and wrapped this actual piece here because it's supposed to be silver. So this piece is actually wrapped, and they didn't put back a certain bolt that was supposed to be holding it in, which works in my favor. It was just a lot easier to take out, and it is coming out. So let me go and unplug everything. Okay, again, that was really easy. Head unit is now out. Let me go get the new one and plug everything in. So this should be it. That's actually pretty easy. All right, so after much work and investigation, I think I got it to work. Let's see. Moment of truth. Okay. Oh, it works! Oh, I'm so hyped. Okay, I have no idea. Let me play around with this a little bit. I know it works. I'll put everything back. Oh, I'm excited. Oh my god, I'm so hyped. This is sick. This is... Oh no. Oh my god. This is so cool. Alright, alright. Alright, I'm gonna put everything back together. It's installed. It is actually really, really good. Click that. Apple CarPlay comes on. It works perfectly. Don't want to get copyrighted, so stop. That was a really easy install. I've used it for about a day already, driving around with it. It's so good. This is honestly one of the best mods you can do for your car. I don't know why I waited so long for this. It was actually really easy to do. Honestly, it wasn't that bad. I was stressing. It was really easy. It took me like half an hour to do. Half an hour to an hour, I want to say, just because I was testing it. I did break a clip, so I'm not too bothered by it. I barely noticed it anyways. It's such a good quality of life mod you can do for your car. Apple CarPlay and Spotify. Those are the main two things I wanted it for, because I couldn't play my music, and using a GPS, I'd have to put my phone like down there or something to use. Everything works. It's perfect. It does come with a backup camera I may install in the future. Not right now though. I'm happy with how it is. Couldn't ask for a better mod. It was such an easy one. It does come with a mic. Probably gonna mount the mic like up here or something, you know. Oh, wireless Apple CarPlay. It's such a good mod that I don't know why I slacked on it. But you know what? I'm happy. I'm so happy that I did it. 10 out of 10 mod. Honest, there's no, like, it runs smoothly. It does have the huge brand here, which I don't mind, but confine. That's all right. You can probably just put some tape over it or something, cover it up if you really wanted to. But that's it. It's the perfect mod that you should do for your car. Like, I don't care. You guys got to do this mod. It looks good too. It looks decent. It looks good. Quick little video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Any support is appreciated. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out and drive safe, guys.